How to delete Snapchat call history permanently. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete your Snapchat's call history permanently. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Snapchat. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. And after you're here, tap on your profile icon, that is your Bitmoji, on the top left corner. After you tap on it, tap on the settings icon that is on the top right corner. You'll see the gear icon, tap on it, and you should be on your settings. After you're on your settings, scroll down. Scroll down until you find an option that says privacy control, and under there you should see clear data. Tap on clear data, and there you'll see an option to clear your conversations. Tap on clear conversations, and there you'll see the list of your friends. Now to delete specific chat history, what you'll need to do is simply remove the conversation with a certain friend. So just tap on this cross icon right beside a friend and then tap on clear. After you do that, your Snapchat call history will get cleared, guys, and that is basically how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye.